Welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Bechu here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So we are making green smoothie today. We are making use of orange, cucumber and fluted pumpkin. This is how you remove your orange peel. That is the skin of the orange from the orange. This green smoothie helps in losing weight, and if you're having digestive issue, this smoothie can help you detox your system. And that is it. I'll be using my juice extractor. If you don't have juice extractor, you can make use of your blender. After blending everything, you use your your mesh cloth and sieve it. And that's just it. You don't have to have a juice extractor before making this green smoothie. I'm cutting everything into little chunks so that it can be easy for the for the juice extractor to extract it, so that it will not get stuck in the tube. Now for my orange, I'm making use of 3 sweet oranges because this orange is going to give this green smoothie or green juice a sweet taste, because we are not making use of honey, sugar or any other thing. We are making this smoothie as healthy as possible, so that when you drink it, your body is going to thank you later. I made use of 2 cucumbers, 2 medium size, 2 small cucumbers, not medium size. Now I want to cut my fluted pumpkin. I'm not cutting it, I just want to shred it a little so that it cannot be too long when I put it in the juice extractor. I'm going to start putting it now until everything is finished. This green smoothie or green juice helps you lose belly fat. If you're somebody that is having issue with belly fat, you can make use of this. You can take this green smoothie in the morning and last thing in the night. It's going to help your skin glow. It has a lot of benefits. You can see that the fluted pumpkin has a lot of vitamins and antioxidants, whereas the cucumber helps hydration. It has a lot of hydration properties, and the orange has a huge pack of vitamin C and a lot of other nutrients. This green smoothie is super healthy. It gives you everything you want your skin to be like. It helps you when you are bloated and so on and so forth. I hope you are going to try this recipe. You're going to be happy you did. Right now, I'm just putting everything into the tube of the juice extractor until everything is finished. How I'm just doing this, some part of this, some part of the orange, some of the cucumber, and some of the fluted pumpkin. A glass is filled already. Look at how beautiful the color is. It has the green color of life, the beautiful color of vegetation, the beautiful color of health. This green smoothie is super healthy. You can replace the orange with pineapple if you want a sweeter green smoothie. You can replace the orange with green pineapple. It's also the same stuff. If you're watching at this point and you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to help me, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Our green vegetable smoothie or lose weight smoothie is ready. As you can see, we am done extracting all the juice of the fluted pumpkin, orange and cucumber. This is our end product. Look at how beautiful the color is, the color of life. It tastes so good. The orange made it taste a bit sweet, but if you want a sweeter version of this green smoothie, you can substitute the orange for pineapple. Thanks for watching. Thank you for all your support. See you in my next video. Bye.